I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Verifying your identity on Alpaca is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Create an account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Provide personal information. Once your account is created, log in and navigate to the profile settings. Here, you will need to enter your full name, date of birth, and address. Step 3. Upload identification. Next, you will need to upload a government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Make sure the image is clear and all details are visible. Step 4. Verify your identity. After uploading your ID, Alpaca will process your information. This usually takes a few minutes, but it can take longer during peak times. Keep an eye on your email for updates. Step 5. Complete additional verification. In some cases, Alpaca may require additional verification, such as a selfie or a second form of ID. Follow the prompts to complete this step if needed. If you encounter any issues, double-check that your ID is not expired and that the images are clear. Happy trading!